This video is going to be absolutely amazing because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create animal fusion videos without using any prompts and any paid tools. That too with the help of a single app which is completely free. First, take a look at these YouTube channels that are earning in millions by creating such videos. First, check out this channel and this one too, and also this one. Most of the videos on this channel are in the millions. In the same way, you too can get millions of views on your YouTube channel and generate a very good income. So please make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping it. If you want to create such amazing videos, then for this you need to go to the Play Store. Here you have to search for Animal Fusion. Here you can see many more apps like this as well. I'll show you how to create videos using this app. It's completely free. And from here, you can download music along with videos. Just click on Install and install this app. Open this. Now select your language and click on this. This app is completely free, so you guys may see ads here. Now click on Next. Click on Get Started. Now click on Animal Mix. Now you can generate your videos here. Click on Mix 2. Now select Video and click on Continue. Now select any item. I select Gorilla and Rhinoceros. Now click on Create. This will take few seconds and you may also watch an ad. Just skip this ad. After this, your video will be ready. And now you can download it directly from here in your phone gallery. Just click on this and click on Save. Now you can play this in your gallery. If you're not satisfied with the video quality, you can enhance the video with vMake AI. Now go to the search bar, search for vMake AI in the search. Just scroll down and click on Try for free. Just scroll down now, click on Upload. Now select the video and click on Done. It's hardly take 4 to 5 seconds. Now click on the video and click on 3 dots. Now click on Download. Now you can see the changes. Now I am going to tell you about another app that is very interesting. Through this app, you also create such amazing videos in just a few steps without wasting your time. For this, you will have to go to the Play Store again. Here, you have to search for iFusion Character Merge. Click on this one. Now click on Install. Open this. Here you will get an ad to watch. Just skip this. Now click on this. Choose any character. I choose this one and this one. Now click on Evolution. It's take few seconds in video generation. Now click on Download. Now you can download it in SD version for free. But don't worry, you can enhance your video quality with vMake AI, which I have already told you in this video. Now let's talk about the earnings of these channels. For this, I'll use a YouTube money calculator to calculate the live earnings and explain it to you. I'll calculate this channel's earnings for you. For this, I'll first go to the channel's bio. Now copy this link and paste it into this website. Here, you can see all the analytics of this channel. Here you can see channel profile and views, earnings, and subscribers. Here you can see this channel was created on 22nd March 2024. You can see this channel's views, and this channel has gained so many subscribers so quickly. This content is currently in trending, and by uploading this content, many channels are going viral. You too can make your channel go viral in 2025 by making these types of amazing videos. If you need any kind of help, do write in the comments below. And for such amazing content, do subscribe to this channel.